Hey guys, I wanted to introduce you our Zuno earbuds. So how did we made our Zuno earbuds? We made it small enough so you can put in your pocket, it's no problem, you won't feel it. We did also a big battery, so just with the case you will have more than 30 hours battery life, and if you use the earbuds also it's 7 to 8 hours more. As you will see, for the pairing it's very fast. You just take it out, and as you can see, the pairing is already done. Zuno is very good for the ANC. Automatically, the ANC will be on. And if you want to switch the ANC mode, you have to double tap. Once, it will be transparency mode. And if you double tap again, it will be ANC off. If you want to switch for the music, etc., it will be with the left earbuds. As you know, Zuno comes with 9 ear chips. We will explain you in another video how to choose your ear tips, but as you can see, if you want to change, it's very easy.